Hi guys. I needed to expand this board that holds all my bits and burrs, and I highly recommend you guys follow along and make one for yourself, because it makes finishing a project so much faster when everything is easily accessible and in view. Because that also allows you to look at all the pieces and think of what's best to use next. So stick around and watch how I make this. So this is my block. It's 12 inches long, 1.5 inches thick, 5.5 inches wide. I've run out of space because I've gotten too many bits, so I'm gonna expand it this way. And I'll be using the Dremel 4300 with an 1/8 inch Dremel drill bit, just because that's the same diameter as the bits, so that they slide perfectly in. I'm gonna go halfway down the bit, right about there, for the depth of the holes. 20,000 RPM, and each bit is gonna be a 1/2 inch away from each other. Yeah, it's easy as that. Have the holes drilled out. These two little things I dug out with this little tungsten carbide burr. That took a while, but I think it's worth it for the storage. These are just some pencils that are cut in half. I also use this to dig down, and then they were glued in with Gorilla Glue. If you guys are curious how I organize my board, I keep all the saws and sanding discs in the back right, along with the easy twist attachment. All the bits that I don't use that often go in the back left. In that middle section, I put all the miscellaneous items. The front left, I put all the bits that I use all the time. And then onto the pencils, I put all the different grits of the sanding drums. Well guys, thanks for watching. I got it all organized, and I really hope you make them for yourself, because it actually makes a huge difference in the time it takes to complete a project when everything's out in the open like this and easy to access. Alright, see you next time.